Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, the 2025 Mazda CX-70. Filling the gap between the CX-50 and CX-90, the CX-70 is a stylish and sophisticated two-row SUV that promises to be a game-changer in the segment. Available with both a powerful inline-six engine and a fuel-efficient plug-in hybrid option, the CX-70 appeals to both driving enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers alike. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The CX-70 boasts a sleek, modern design that's quintessentially Mazda. The signature Coda design language is evident in the bold grille, swept-back headlights, and muscular lines. The available 20-inch wheels and chrome accents add a touch of luxury, while the available sunroof provides an open-air driving experience. Stepping inside, the CX-70's interior is a haven of comfort and technology. The premium materials, including leather and wood trim, create a refined and upscale atmosphere. The driver-centric dashboard is ergonomically designed and features a large infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The available 12-speaker Bose sound system delivers a concert-like audio experience. Under the hood, the CX-70 offers two powerful and efficient engine options. The standard engine is a 3.3-liter inline-six that delivers an impressive 340 horsepower. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, the 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid offers a combined output of 323 horsepower and an impressive electric-only range. Both engines are mated to a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and feature Mazda's innovative all-wheel drive system. The CX-70 is packed with advanced safety and driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features work together to help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. So, is the 2025 Mazda CX-70 worth the hype? Absolutely. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, powerful engines, and advanced technology, the CX-70 is sure to please even the most discerning buyers. If you're looking for a stylish and sophisticated SUV that offers exceptional performance and efficiency, the CX-70 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting car reviews. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the 2025 Mazda CX.